Welcome to Srinarayan Guru High School. Today in English grammar we will see about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are things that we can count. They have both singular and plural forms. In this slide you can see leaf. They have many leaves. A calf. Many calves. Some boys are playing here, so we can count these boys. There are 5 boys playing here, and you can see the singular form of a boy playing a football. Chair, chairs. Fish, fishes. Few more examples of countable nouns. Things you can count here in this slide. Carrots, tree, apples, dog, house, pencil, hat, potatoes, cycle, banana, hen, car. Things which are in singular are tree, dog, house, pencil, hat, bicycle, hen, car. Things which are in plural forms, more than one, are carrots. You can see 5 carrots here. Apples. There are 3 apples. Potatoes. There are 6 potatoes. Bananas. You can see 3 bananas in this slide. So, these are few examples of countable nouns. Let us see some irregular forms of nouns in a singular form and plural form. A man. In a plural form, it is men. M-A-N, man. M-E-N, men. So here, A is removed in the plural form and written as M-E-N, men. A woman. W-O-M-A-N, woman. If there are many, we call them as women. W-O-M-E-N, women. Below, a person. If there are only one, you call it as a person. If there are many, we call them as people. Here, 5 people are standing there. So we call them as people. Next, a foot. If you keep 1 foot, then you call it as foot. F-O-O-T, foot. If you keep both the feet, then you call them as feet. F-E-E-T, feet. Here, F-O-O-T, foot. In the plural form, O is removed and written as double E, that is F-E-E-T, feet. Below that, you can see tooth, a single tooth. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. In the plural form, it is teeth. There are many teeth. So, there are many teeth. Here also, in the plural form, O is removed and E is written. Next, a child, a single child. If there are many, you call them as children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. R-E-N is written in the plural forms. Here, below that, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Single. In the plural form, it is called as mice. M-I-C-E, mice. Next, ox. O-X, ox. In the plural form, more than one it is, so we call it as oxen. O-X-E-N, oxen. Let us go to the right side. Singular and plural forms. A goose. G-O-O-S-E, goose. Here in the plural form, there are many, so we call them as geese. O is removed and E is written. In the singular form, an octopus. In the plural form, octopi. There are many octopus, so we call them as octopi. US is removed and I is written. An aircraft. Here, aircraft. An aircraft and here aircraft. Both are same here. There is no difference here. A leaf. Here, more than one leaf is there, so we call them as leaves. A leaf. L-E-A-F. F is removed. In the place of F, V-E-S we have written. Next, a deer. In a singular form also it is called deer, and in the plural form also it is deer. So here, that is why it is called as irregular forms of nouns. Here it doesn't change. A sheep. If there are more than one sheep, then also it is called as sheep. Here, knife. K-N-I-F-E, knife. Here in the plural form, more than one knife are there, so it is called as knives. K-N-I-V-E-S. So here also you can see F is removed and V-E-S is added. If you compare leaf and knives, here you can see the difference. Here also it is same, L-E-A-F and L-E-A-V-E-S. So here F is removed in the plural form and it is written as L-E-A-V-E-S. Here in knife also, K-N-I-F-E, knife, and plural form K-N-I-V-E-S, knives. Not only this, you can say for wife also, W-I-F-E, wife. If there are more than one wife, so they are called as wives, W-I-V-E-S, wives. W-O-L-F, wolf. W-O-L-V-E-S, wolves. Here one wolf and two wolves. Here also we can see F is removed and V-E-S is added. So these are few irregular forms of. So far you have seen countable nouns. Now let us go to uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that we cannot count with numbers. They may be the names of abstract ideas or qualities, or for physical objects that are too small to be counted. Example, liquids, powders, gases, etc. In the first picture, you can see water is being poured into a glass. Water cannot be counted. In the second picture, powder. Powder cannot be counted. In the third picture, we can see some gases coming out from the chimneys. So, gas also cannot be counted. Here are few uncountable noun pictures given. Bread. If there are more bread, we cannot count it. Cereal. Cereals means rice, ragi, jawar, bajra, maize, all these are cereals. We cannot count it. Cheese. Cheese also we cannot count. Flour. Any flour. Wheat flour, rice flour, all these are flours. So we cannot count them. Jam, juice, meat, milk, rice, salt, soup, sugar, tea, water, chocolate, butter. All these are uncountable nouns. Few more examples of uncountable nouns you can see in this slide. Some are repeated. A wedge of cheese, a piece of meat, a jar of jam, a liter of milk, a loaf of bread, a bag of flour, coffee, a carton of orange juice, biscuits, a bowl of sugar, a glass of beer, a basket of French rolls, a glass of lemonade, a water glass, half dozen of bottles of milk, a can of soda. Children, so far you knew about countable and uncountable nouns. Now let us do few exercise. Exercise of countable nouns. Here there are at least 20 Italian restaurants in Little Italy. So here restaurants can be counted. Hotels. Restaurants means hotels. Hotels can be counted. So restaurants have been underlined. That is countable noun. Megan took a lot of photographs when she went to the Grand Canyon. So photographs can be counted. So photographs is a countable noun. Your book is on the kitchen table. Here in this sentence, book, you can count it. So book is a countable noun. Table. Table also can be counted. So it is a countable noun. Fourth one, how many candles are on that birthday cake? They are asking you how many candles. How many means you can count it. So candles can be counted. Here, so candles are countable noun. Birthday cake. Cake can be counted. Cake can be counted. So cake is a countable noun. You have several paintings to study in art appreciation class. Paintings. How many paintings you have done? So paintings can be counted. Class can be counted. So it is countable noun. Sixth one, there's a big brown dog running around the neighborhood. Here, dog. Dog is a countable noun. Neighborhood. Neighborhood are, that means your neighbors. They are also counted. So it is a countable noun. So far you saw countable noun exercise. Now let us go to uncountable nouns and do some exercise. There is no more water in the pond. Here water is an uncountable noun. Please help yourself to put some cheese. Cheese also you cannot count. So cheese is uncountable noun. I need to find information about Pulitzer Prize winners. Information. You cannot count it. How much of information someone has given. So information is an uncountable noun. You seem to have a high level of intelligence. Any person who is very intelligent, you cannot count their intelligence. So intelligence is an uncountable noun. Please take good care of your equipment. Please take good care of your equipment. Equipment is also uncountable noun. Let's get rid of the garbage. Let's get rid of the garbage. Garbage, you cannot count each and every garbage. So, they are piled up. So, garbage is uncountable noun. So far I have explained you about countable and uncountable nouns. Here I am giving you in this slide few exercises regarding countable and uncountable nouns. First one is done for you. The remaining you can do it in your English notebook. Thank you.